I think I'm going to struggle with this one.
I struggle with it because of the way the days that were by.
That's true. We've had graduation, 18th birthday.
One I really had a problem on was the last problem, part E, and I didn't quite get the same number as they did.
Which one?
Part E on number 6. I watched the video on it.
So yeah, I got the negative 117 for my T-score, and my SIG or p-value was 0.999. Right, the answer sheet was 0.907.
Yeah. Makes sense then.
So I was able to run that in the SSS or whatever.
And did you guys do the whole assignment, or?
Yes. I got really stuck on like number 2 though. I don't know if I was just overthinking everything.
Well, I think they got confusing because they asked for to use an Excel spreadsheet, and then you should be using the SPSS sheet.
Yeah, because I just use the SPSS. So.
I think I just didn't know how to do it by itself without having a report to pull, you know?
Yeah, that's what I looked up on the videos. And that's the only reason that I figured it out. Because I could figure it out on the report really easy, but once I saw how, like what he had wrote on the video, I saw where he's getting the numbers from, but I couldn't figure it out myself. I was trying all sorts of things.
Yeah, it was frustrating. I was like, I don't know what to do here. But I think I finally got it, hopefully.
Yeah, I think as long as I can use the SPSS, I'll be okay on this one.
Yeah. Because figuring out the formulas, even though it's kind of similar to the last lesson, it's still a little bit different.
And I wrote down on the formulas. I always feel like they add or take something out because there's like all the formulas are kind of close to each other.
Yeah.
So.
Right. Last week's was times. This week's is divides.
Yeah.
Okay.
Should we continue to wait for Stephen, or should we just start?
It's been 5 minutes.
Okay.
So you didn't have any trouble running the SPSS stuff?
Nice, because you kind of get lost without it.
Yeah.
I don't know what was happening those few weeks. It just would not work for me.
I'm glad it's working for you now.
Yeah.
Now there's no problem. Good night.
So, do you understand what the degrees of freedom could be? Like, what's the purpose of that?
I've been trying to figure it out a little bit.
I mean, I understand how to get it, I just don't understand its purpose. And maybe that comes later.
I have, like, the definition of it.
Oh, actually, doesn't it go up closer to the population? So, the higher that number is.
Figured out, like, the more freedom it has, like, the closer it gets to the normal distribution curve.
Right.
What it is or what its purpose is necessarily.
Okay, yeah, I did read that.
Yeah, so it's kind of like taking more samples.
Yeah.
The more samples you take, the closer you'll get to the mean. Is that a good way to put it?
Yeah.
Kinda. Oh, excuse me.
Stop that, Leah.
I'm sorry, I'm so tired. And I think I even understand the reject or fail to reject a little better this week.
That's true.
Is that a text from Steve, Trace? Or?
No, I'm going to send him one. He always do.
I didn't get on there. It's in his email.
Oh, you did too? Send him something?
I just sent him the link on his email because I know he sometimes has a problem getting in without it.
Yeah. Okay. I'll leave him alone.
You don't have to leave him alone. We like him.
Hey.
Hello.
Mommy's best friend.
That's cute.
He's there.
Hello. Awfully happy now.
So you have the 2 kids, right?
Yeah.
Alyssa?
So, my daughter Chloe, and then him Tiberius.
Nice.
Tiberius.
I like it. I like it. So how was your birthday? I know you had a birthday recently.
It was good. So my sister got me a mountain bike. Now I can go biking, and
Good.
I hung out with my sister, and my brother-in-law just got put into like the first counselor in the bishopric, so like all his family was down, so
Very
I
cool.
celebrated my birthday with them.
Good. Sounds very active. All right. Well, we've given him 10 minutes. Shall we start our
Yeah, we can
quiz?
Yeah, we might as well.
I don't
We'll
want to be
help him through it.
Yeah, I don't either.
Yeah, I'm tired. Okay, well, Steven's got the first 2.
Yeah, always has those two, right?
Or are we going to go right to the quiz?
I'm in the quiz.
Yeah.
Are you? Okay.
Well, we all 3 have the whole assignment done, right? So
Yeah.
I just have to re-log in. Apparently, it logged me out. So
Okay.
I'll be there.
I'll read number 3. In previous lessons, we have assumed the population standard deviation, sigma, as known. In this lesson, we are making a different assumption about the sigma. What has changed? It is unknown, right?
Correct.
I'll wait for Alyssa.
So we assume, is it sigma or whatever is unknown?
Yeah.
Okay. So the null hypothesis is u equals 8, and the alternative hypothesis is less than 8, and the population standard deviation is not known. Becca collects a sample size of n equals 9 and computes x equals 11 and s equals 6. Use the information for question 4 through 5. Is O known? No?
No. What is the value of t? I guess we better look up the formulas.
Right.
Do you have it on your spreadsheet, right?
Yeah, I do. If you want to read off.
S divided by n.
Yeah, you guys are breaking up on there. Okay, what we have, what's the sample mean?
The sample mean, wait, the x bar is 11.
Okay.
S is 6.
Okay, what is the S? Is that the sample standard
Sample
deviation?
size. Oh, yeah. Sample standard deviation, yeah.
So what
Is
would
what?
be for the U
Mm,
or the X?
the X would be 11, and the N, the sample size is 9.
The sample size. Oh, so I have 11 minus, and I'm not sure.
The 8.
Okay, and then that would be 6 divided by the square root of 9.
Yes.
What was the sample size?
9.
Or actually, what was? Oh, okay. What was the standard deviation? We don't know, do we?
Well, the S is 6, which is the sample standard, right?
I got
Okay.
1.5.
That's what I've got.
You got what?
1.500.
1.500. Round to 1 decimal point.
So 1.5. Right?
Right.
Okay, so use the following values which will hold for the data file detail. Copy and paste them into the software you're assigned to use. So we're putting it into the SPS. Use the null hypothesis of hypothesis U equals 98.6, and the alternative hypothesis is less than 98.6, and the level of significance is 0.05. Okay, so what is X? Alright, who has their SPS up?
I do. Okay, so I'm going to go analyze descriptive statistics, right?
You've already got them in there?
Explore, yeah.
It says you can just copy and paste them, I guess.
Yeah. Statistics. Confidence levels, what? Do we have one?
Level of significance is 0.05. That's what we grade it to. Using the null hypothesis is 98.6, and the alternative hypothesis is less than 98.6.
Hold on. Hold on. I'm only in the one that's a different. Okay. And then I need to go analyze, compare means to 1 sample size, right? Test values, what? 98.6,
98.6.
6. Actions. We're just going to go with the 95%, I guess. Well, it's not asking us that yet.
Sorry, my kids are screaming, so.
It's okay.
I just think they got the 95% unless it tells us otherwise.
Yeah, that's true. And the kids don't bother us.
No, not at all. Okay, the sample mean. I'm going to share the screen, okay, so we can look at it together.
Okay.
If I can find this. Share screen. I think it's that one. Okay, so I'm not sure how much of my screen. Here's the variance. Can you guys see that where put in all the numbers. 98.0 down to 98.2. You guys see that? Okay. And then the output. I'm not sure if I put down what the average stuff I had open here or not. So there's a lower and upper bound of 97.7885 to 98.65. The mean it has at 98.22. That's very high. I'm going to go down here to this T-score. Okay, Pokey, come on. Okay, so the one sample test has the test value at 98.6. You guys can see that. And looks like the mean is 98.22. Is that what our question is?
Well, it says what is X? So is the mean X?
It is.
It is, then yes.
98.22. 0.
Okay, now bite.
Round to 3 decimal places.
Yeah.
98.220.
220.
0. Okay.
And what is S? S is our sample size, right? No.
Yes. No.
S?
S is the
Oh, standard deviation. So I see a 0.9220.
For the standard deviation. You did the one sample statistics. Yeah.
0.922. Yeah. I'm going to put a 0 in front of that. And the T-score, you guys see the T-score there? It's a negative 1.843.
Negative 1.843.
Yes. So negative 1.843. Negative 1.843. Okay. What is the p-value? Oh, that's our sig, right?
Oh, it's the what?
The sig, the
sig.
two-tailed.
Yeah.
See where my cursor is there.
Yeah, for me, your cursor is way lower. But yeah, I can see your screen.
0.81.
0.081.
0.081?
Now, let's go back and look at what our
A formula for that, but I could be wrong.
So they've got it greater, so we need to divide it by 2, right? Where the alternative is greater than, we're only going to use one side of the graph.
But is a p-value, do we do that off the applet with the t form? Or no?
We can try it, but I believe it's that sig.
Okay.
This is two-tail.
Yeah.
So we need to take 0.081 divided by 2 gives us 0.04. Are we looking at it? 0.041. Because it's 0.0405. I'll round it up to 0.041.
0.041.
Yeah, and that's less than our 0.05, right?
Yes.
So we.
So the
If the
P
no
score
is low, reject it.
Yeah, I think that's what the riddle is, isn't it?
If the number's low, reject the no.
If the p-value is less, we reject the null. Greater, then we fail to reject the null. So yeah, we would reject the null.
Oh, little guy. Okay, pasting in more. So we use the following values, right? Copy and paste them. That's to resource application based on this claim. You want to test their claim. You select the hypothesis. Null hypothesis is equal to 40. Okay. I'm going to run this report, I guess. Explore. Statistics still at 95 for now. Okay, sorry. Okay, and then compare the means. One sample t-test, right? Is 40 what we put in here for our test value?
40.
Okay, anything else in our options? Leave that at 95%?
Since I don't think it says anything else.
Okay. So we'll see what this pulls up. Okay, what's our questions? Your first alternative hypothesis is that it's different than 40. So that would be the two-tailed. Use the level of significance of 0.01. That's low. So the p-value is 0.995.
0.95?
Yeah, that's what the p-value is. Do you see it there on the sig? And because it's different, then we're going to use both sides.
Okay, so 0.995.
Yeah, 0.995.
Okay.
0.995.
How come it's so much higher than our level of significance?
So we're going to fail to reject. Is that right?
Yep.
Yeah.
13, you decide to try another alternative hypothesis. This time you use that it's less than 40.
Yeah.
And you keep the same level of significance. So you're going to divide that by 2. 995 divided by 2 is 0.4975. So it decreases if you're dividing it, right?
Right. And we still fail to reject the null hypothesis.
Right.
Okay, so compare the width and confidence intervals of question 11 to the confidence intervals in question 13. Which one is wider?
Um,
Confidence interval for 11 should be wider, right?
I don't know that I understand that question.
Yeah, maybe I don't either. Let's see. I know we've read about that.
Okay, ready. Stop.
But usually it asks you if you're 99% or 95%.
So we're on 15, right?
Yeah, I don't understand the question.
Width of the confidence interval. Which one is wider? Well, because it's wider if the degree of freedom is less. It's wider. As the degree of freedom is like more, it gets more narrow.
But if all we changed was if one was less than compared to one that's equal to, we didn't really change our 99% or 95% confidence.
Yeah.
All we did was take our p-value and divide it by 2.
Mm-hmm. So do you think
You suck at this. I think I'm going to put that they are the same.
Okay.
Double check my answers and submit.
Why would they be the same?
Why would they not be the
Is that
same?
just educated guess or something?
Well, shall we look up the confidence interval definition?
That's what I'm kind of trying to find.
What did you put on 13 and 14? Just to make sure I got the right ones.
So 13 I put decrease.
Decrease. And 14?
Fail to reject because it's still high error. Because we're at 0.4975, which is greater than 0.01.
Yeah. Okay.
I'll go into the homework here to see what I can find.
Yeah, I know I read that somewhere, but I don't know. I can't find it right now.
And I have stuff written down, but it doesn't, I don't know, I don't feel like it really goes along with that as well.
Looks like it has to do with the t-score, but I mean our t-scores didn't change. Let me read this all again.
Oh, so that's why you're saying it doesn't change.
Yeah. I mean, our answers changed. Our p-value changed.
And Steve's on his way, so we'll probably get this one done just in time. He said he forgot us.
Oh, nice.
We'll have to give him some stuff about that.
Yeah.
Yeah, we
Yeah, I'm not finding it.
and 13.
I'm searching.
Level of significance.
Here we go. Step 5 in 4.1. What do you notice about the confidence intervals as the confidence levels increase from 90 to 99? Yeah, see, that's just the percentage that you put in, though, isn't it?
Right, but we didn't do a percentage.
No.
Yeah,
Didn't
and that's
ask
why.
us to.
Now it says the degrees of freedom is 1 less than n.
Yeah, our sample size.
So if the sample size hasn't changed for both of them, would they actually change at all, you think?
I don't think so.
Yeah, see, because the confidence intervals, they're the two numbers, so it shouldn't.
I
It
just
shouldn't
turned
change.
mine in, and it says they are the same.
Where'd you find that at?
I just turned mine in. It said they are the same.
I was going to do that, Alyssa.
So did you get it right?
Yeah, so they are the same, right. Number 12, though, is fail to reject the null hypothesis.
Okay, that's what I have clicked.
That's what we clicked.
That's what
Did you just put reject the null hypothesis?
Yeah, I must have clicked on the wrong one or
Sorry.
Yeah, maybe the fail was only 1 out of 80.
You guys should be good to go if you put they are the same.
Okay.
All right.
12 was the only one you got wrong.
Yeah, and I must have just clicked the wrong one then.
Yeah.
Because if you clicked fail to reject, that's the correct one.
Alright, how are we going to help Steven?
Well, send him a text.
Yeah. I mean, if anything, I can email him with the answers and the link to this, and he could watch it if he wanted to.
True.
Yeah, that's true. And if he's got any questions or problems, he can text us or email us.
Yeah.
Oh,
That way we can get going so you guys can get to bed or do whatever you need to do.
I need to go to bed.
Yeah, right.
Get up at 4 in the morning and work 11 hours. Okay, well, thank you.
Yep.
Yeah.
We'll see you guys later.
All right, we'll see you next week.
See ya.
Bye.